They're drugging, manipulating, and poisoning my children. They want to murder them. It's all political. Behind the scenes, it's political. Don't be fooled. Political, and their aides who have their hands on my children. It's a cover-up. It's a cover-up of all the crimes on me, done to me. Because my children are the proof, are my legacy. My children are the reason that I'm still alive. My children are my motivation. My children are the reason that I'm still going on and holding on. And some of my people over there